Trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Y'all, I'm so excited about filming this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be doing a ColourPop unboxing. Yes, a ColourPop unboxing, a makeup unboxing. So if you are interested in this video, please continue to watch this. But first, go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below some things you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Thursday. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, I am so excited about showing you guys this video and this unboxing of goodies I got from ColourPop. But first, I want to tell you how I got the goodies from ColourPop. So I follow them on Twitter, and they do a lot of giveaways like really often, and all that consists of like you liking the post, following them, maybe sharing it, maybe commenting something down below. So this particular giveaway was like a 90s edition giveaway, and I entered the contest not actually thinking that, you know, I would win. I just entered it because I actually liked a lot of the content that was going on, like the other people tweeting back and forth, and I just kind of wanted to jump in because I really liked the vibe. So I had got a DM from them saying, you know, the first few lines was like, don't give anybody our email address and all that stuff. So I was thinking maybe this is kind of spammy, so I ignored it. Then about a week later, I got another email, was like, hey, did you get our email? So I went back and read the messages, and so I was like, oh. So I was number 8 out of 10 people to win the giveaway. Yes. If you don't follow me on Twitter, my Twitter name is Palette Therapy 1. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter. But yeah, so let's get into this unboxing. So it says established in LA right here. And then on the sides, it says fragile. We're gonna open it. This is what the inside looks like. This is how the packaging comes. And it says ColourPop, let's get digital. And then on the back, it says, has some things. It says it's a whole new millennium with our new Y2K collection. And so it has different types of colors, and it just describes the different shadows and lip crayons and all of that stuff. So yeah, this is what the back looks like. It's packaged really, really well too. There's a lot of stuff in here. Now let's get into the contents of what's in here. So the first thing I see is it comes with some butterfly hair clips, and then face jewels, 2 different sets of face jewels. This is what they look like. Okay, and then this one says you got mail. It is a Super Shock highlighter. Let's break it open. This is what the outside looks like. This is what the highlighter looks like. Really pretty pink color. So that's nice to have. And then this one says still loading. And it is a highlighter as well. So that's 2 highlighters. This is what the outside of it looks like. So what the inside looks like a lavender color, a pastel color. And I believe this collection is based off of pastels, so it's gonna be a lot of pastel colors going on here. And then you have a mini lip duo, 2 different colors, lip tints. Let's see what they look like. This is them. Oh, well, I thought the top was just gonna come off, but I guess I gotta insert it. It's a crayon, lip crayon, so that's pretty. Neat. I love pinks, so these will definitely be used. I love a pink nudie lip, so. And then this is the So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss. Like I said, a lot of these colors are pastel, so it's gonna be a lot of purples and pinks and stuff like that, which is right up my alley because I love those colors. And it's 2 more lip glosses as well. So really, a whole lot came in this giveaway, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I still have like 6 items to show you guys. So I'm really lit about this, you know? Your girl finally won something? What? I'm entering every giveaway for everybody. I'm entering it, period. Okay, so this is one color, and then this is the other color. So, those are lip glosses. Okay. I believe this is eyeshadow, maybe? This is a pressed powder palette, just a glitch. Yes. So I will definitely have to create a look using the goodies in this box. Now, it didn't come with any foundation. It came with, like I said, highlighters, lip gloss, lipstick, and blush in these eyeshadow palettes. So I will definitely try to create a look just using this particular box and these products. This one is called Digital Playground. This is what it looks like. Man, I love these 2 colors right here. This legit, y'all. This legit. If you don't shop at ColourPop, or you haven't shopped at ColourPop, go check them out. Like, they really do have good, affordable brands. When I first started trying to get into makeup, ColourPop was my first real eyeshadow palette that I bought that I could afford, because they have a lot of affordable makeup. So it was the first real one that I got into, and it's really pigmented and the colors are really pretty, and they just have good all-around products. So if you're new to makeup and you want to jump into something that's not so drugstore-y but still have, listen to me, say drugstore, that's not even a word, not so much drugstore products but still drugstore prices, check out ColourPop. So this one is the New Millennium, and this is the colors in it. This is a shock shadow. This is one as well. And then this is the last thing that's in the box, and it is a super shock shadow as well. And that's everything. First of all, can we just appreciate how pretty this packaging is? I mean, party like it's $19.99. Can we appreciate how? Hand clap for ColourPop. Yes. So that's everything that came in the giveaway that they gave. Like I said, I didn't pay for any of this. I didn't even pay for shipping. I don't even know if I mentioned that, but I didn't pay for shipping. I didn't pay for anything. It was all free. Free, it was. And I am very thankful and grateful that I won, because like I said, I love ColourPop and I plan on using these products. Shout out to ColourPop for picking your girl in the giveaway. Yes, yes. So but I'm excited to use these products. I really am really excited to create some looks for you guys using them as well. That's all that I have. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it. Why? Because sharing is caring. If you like the vibe, go ahead and join the tribe. Hit the subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday. As always, thanks for the support, and I will catch you in my next video.
Thank you.